Good evening. Good evening, children. Good evening. Yes, you have school tomorrow. Only 6 people are joined. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. So, morning class. So, NCERT textbook part is done. And RS Agarwal, so this is the 10th video on volumes and surface areas. 10th video on volumes and surface areas, especially. Okay. That means we discussed even cube, cuboid, cylinder also in these videos. Problems on cube, cuboid, cylinder also. But as per NCERT textbook, we have only cone and sphere. That is already done. And RS Agarwal, we are left with only sphere. Sphere, surface area, volume. Okay. So I think this is the last video on volumes and surface areas. We have to go ahead with another chapter from tomorrow onwards. Right. So today's first question. How many lead balls, each of radius 1 centimeters, can be made from a sphere of radius 8 centimeters? See, lead ball means a small sphere of radius 1 centimeter. And there is a big sphere of radius 8 centimeters. What is asking, from this sphere, how many lead balls that we can take of radius 1 centimeter? Okay, na? That means we need to melt the sphere and we need to convert the sphere into small spheres. The big sphere radius is 8 centimeters. Okay, can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. Now, so volume of big sphere by volume of small sphere gives you number of small spheres that we can get from this. This is what we have to understand. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. So remaining is r cube by small r cube is equal to n. Small r is, capital R is given 8. 8 cube is 512. Small r is given 1. 1 cube is 1. So in total we can find out, or we can get 512 lead shots from a sphere of radius 8 centimeters. That is what we have to understand. From a sphere of radius 8 centimeters, we can extract, or we can get 512 small spheres. Here we call it as lead shots. Lead shots are nothing but their shape is like a sphere. Okay na? Next question. Question number 2. A solid sphere of radius 3 centimeters, melted, then cast into a small spherical balls, each of diameter 0.6. Find the number of small balls thus obtained. This is also same. Okay. A solid sphere of radius 3 centimeters. Radius 3 centimeters means capital R. 3 centimeters. Small r 0.6 by 2. Small r 0.6 by 2, which is nothing but 6 by 20. 2 3s are 2 10s are 6 3 by 10. Now what is asking? From this sphere, how many spheres that we can draw, or we can get, or we can extract? Small spheres of radius 3 by 10 centimeters. So what we have to do? Again same, volume of big sphere by volume of small spheres, number of spheres. 4 by 3 by get cancelled. N is equal to capital R by small r. Capital R by small r. First question and this question both are same. Now when you simplify this, what we will get? 27 by 1000, which again 27 into 1000 by 27. 27 get cancelled. So we can get 1000 spheres. We can get 1000 spheres of radius 3 by 10 centimeters from a sphere of radius 3 centimeters. Okay na? Okay. So how many are joined today? I am observing the names. I need to take the attendance na? 12 people. Okay. Next question. The surface area of sphere is 576 pi. Surface area of sphere is 576 pi. What is the volume of sphere? This is the question. Surface area of sphere is 576 pi. Then what is the volume of sphere? This is the question. So what is the surface area of a sphere now? What is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere formula? 4 pi r square. Right. So 4 pi r square is equal to 576 pi. 4 pi r square is equal to 576 pi. So pi get cancelled. 4r square is equal to 576. R square is equal to 576 by 4. Then can anyone say what is R? What is R, children? Darsh Jain is telling R is 12. Darsh Jain answer R is 12. Which is right? Sahasra, Srujay, Tejal, Mohammed, Roshita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I got. 8. So 8 people are there in the class. 9, 10, 11, 12. I think in that Vaishali is 10, 9B. So 12 students are there. In that 11 from 9th A. So I know the names. Right. So radius is 12. Now find out volume. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Find out volume, children. Find out volume and say the answer. R we got 12 centimeters, na? Find out volume. Darsh answer 50688 by 7. Darsh answer. Okay. 50687 है children. 50688 by 7. Is that right? Seven two four one. Okay, 7241.14. Okay. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. 12 into 12 into 12. 3 fours. So 88 into 48 into 12 by 7. 16, 48, right? Ends with 7. Ends with 8. Right. Next question. Next question. How many spheres 12 centimeters in diameter can be made from a metallic cylinder of diameter 8 centimeters and height 90 centimeters? Radius of sphere 12 centimeters. Radius and height of cylinder also given. Diameter 8, that means radius 4, height 90. Height 90 centimeters. So what he is asking, spheres of radius 12 centimeters can be taken out or can be extracted from a solid iron cylinder of radius 4 centimeters and height 90 centimeters. This is what we have to do, children. What we have to do? We need to take extract spheres of radius 12 centimeters. From where? From a cylinder of radius 4 centimeters and height 90 centimeters. That means we need to melt the cylinder and form spheres of radius 12 centimeters. So how many spheres that we can take or that we can form or that we can make? So what we have to do? Any idea? Volume of cylinder by volume of sphere. Find the volume of cylinder and sphere, then divide. Very good. So first find volume of cylinder. Pi r2 square h by volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r1 square, r1 cube. Number of spheres. No, this pi get cancelled. This 3 will go on the numerator. So 3 into r2 square, 4 into 4 into height 90 by 4 into 12 into 12 into 12. 4 into 12 into 12 into 12. 4 get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, these 4 also get cancelled. One minute. For diameter radius 6. Radius 6. So here we get radius 6 means 4 into 4 into 90 into 3 by 4 into 6 into 6 into 6, right? Not 12 into 12, sorry. కింద 90 by 144 వస్తుంది and diameter 12, radius 6. Now simplify. 4 cancel, 3 twos, 2 twos, again 2 ones, 2 threes, 3 30s are 90, 6 ones are 6 fives are. So number of spheres is 5 centimeters. So we can get 5 spheres from a cylinder of radius 4 centimeters and height 90 centimeters. Okay. Next. Next question. The diameter of a copper sphere is 18 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a long wire of uniform cross section. If the length of the wire is 108 meters, find its diameter. So children, you tell me what is the shape of a wire? What is the shape of wire? A copper sphere of radius of diameter 18 centimeters and a radius 9 centimeters. A copper sphere of radius 9 centimeters. It was melted and drawn into a wire. So wire means we have to consider it as a cylinder. Wire means we have to consider it as a cylinder. So length of the wire is given as 108 meters, which is 10800 centimeters. Length of the wire we can treat as height of the cylinder, and we need to find out radius. We need to find out radius. Okay. First calculate the volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 22 by 7 into 9 into 9 into 9. So 3 threes. So total 88 into 81 into 3 by 7. This is volume of sphere. Now volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. 22 by 7. Radius we don't know. And height is 10800. 10800. Okay, no problem. After finding the radius, find out diameter, Muhammad Hamza. Now, a sphere is drawn into a wire. That means both the volumes are equal. Both the volumes are equal. So we can get 7 cancelled. 22 ones are 22 fours are. Then r square is equal to 81 into 3 by 10800. 10800. Now 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 1800. So 81 by 3600 r square. Then children, tell me what is r? What is r? See, a sphere of radius 9 centimeters, it was melted and drawn into a wire of length 108 meters, which is 10800 centimeters. So length of the wire we have to take it as height of the cylinder. So in this situation, volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder, because here radii are different, R1, R2, let it be R1, R2, R2. Okay. Volume of sphere is this much and volume of cylinder is this much. Since a sphere is melted and form a cylinder, volumes are equal. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. After simplification, we got R2 square is equal to 81 by 3600. So then R2 is equal to 9 by 60. 9 by 60, that is 2 by 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 twos. Yeah, 3 by 20 radius, and the diameter is 2 into radius, so 2 into 3 by 20, which is 3 by 10, that is 0.3 centimeters. 0.3 centimeter. You don't have to 0.225. Radius 3 by 20. Radius 3 by 20. Then diameter is twice radius, 2 into 3 by 20. 0.3. How we got 0.0225? Tanmay? Yeah, next question. Next question. The radii of two spheres are in the ratio 1:2. R1 is to R2 is 1:2. Okay. Then find the ratio of their surface areas. That means R1 is x, R2 is 2x. Now ratio of surface areas. What will be the answer, students? Radii are given in the ratio 1:2. R1 is to R2, 1:2. Then what is the ratio of their surface areas? One is to do only. 4 pi cancel. X square by 2x whole square. That is x square by 4x square. I think it is 1:4, not 1:2. It is 1:4. Next question. The surface areas of two spheres is 1:4. Find the ratio of their volumes. 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square is 1/4. Surface area of two spheres is 1/4. Ratio of surface areas. And we want to find out volumes ratio. Surface areas ratio is given. And he is asking about ratio of volumes. 4 pi get cancelled. R1 by R2 whole square is 1/4. Then what is R1 by R2 right? What is R1 by R2? R1 1/2, correct. R1 by R2 whole square is 1/4, then R1 by R2 is 1/2. Now volumes ratio 4/3 pi R1 cube by 4/3 pi R2 cube. 4/3 pi get cancelled. R1 by R2 whole cube. Is that right? R1 by R2 whole cube. Then what is the volumes ratio? Yes, 1/8. 1/2 whole cube, which is 1/8. So, if ratios of radii of a sphere is 1:2. Ratio of area, surface areas of two spheres means radii of two spheres is 1:2. The ratio of their surface areas is 1/4 and ratio of their volumes is 1/8. That is what you have to understand. Understand, children? Two spheres, if their ratio of radii is 1/2, then their surface areas ratio is 1:4, their volumes ratio is 1:8. This is what you have to understand. Okay, na? Suppose with this, if I say volumes of two spheres are in the ratio, volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 1:27. Volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 1:27. Then, what is the ratio of the radii? Can anyone say? There are two spheres, their volumes ratio is 1:27. Then what is the ratio of the radii? Very good, Darsh. Excellent. Excellent. 1:3. Very good. 1:3. If you observe this statement, you can say the answer easily. Okay, na? Okay. So that's all for today. Again, we'll meet tomorrow. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataya. Bye.